Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Sharma. My register number is UR15CS188. This is experiment number 4 for the Computer Networks Lab, and the title of this experiment is Static Routing. So friends, as you can see here, this is the scenario. Here we have created like a few networks. So as you can see here, like we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 LANs and 3 WANs. So LAN 1 is connected to WAN 1 through router 1, and LAN 2 is connected to WAN 1 and WAN 2 through router 2, and LAN 3 is connected to WAN 2 and WAN 3 through router 3, and this router 2 is used to connect WAN 3 and WAN 4, and router 5 is used to connect LAN 5 with WAN 4. So as you can see here, I have assigned IP addresses to all the devices, all the end devices using subnetting. That is, so the total number of net for this scenario we require 5 LANs and 4 WANs. So for creating that, I have subnetted, like I have borrowed 3 bits from the host portion in the network portion, with the help of which I would be able to create the networks which I would be able to create would be sufficient for assigning IP addresses to the devices to the scenario, in this scenario. So as you can see here, that here in router, like whatever is the IP address of router, that would be the default gateway for the LAN network connected to it. So in static routing, like whenever we ping a packet from one end device to another end device, then this network gives the packet to its default gateway, and then the default gateway takes care of the rest of the things. So here, like the connection between these two routers is made using the serial ports, and like connection between LAN and between the router and LAN is done using fast Ethernet port. So so as you can see here, that now we would check whether the packet is reaching from one end device to another. For example, the IP address of this system is 192.168.1.97. so we would ping it from this thing. So the way I have configured these devices are that the way I have configured routers are like, here I have clicked and inside the CLI mode, so here first I have, like already I have done for the commands. I'm done with the commands, so I would just explain you the commands. First I have written enable, and then after that configure T, so that I can enter the configure T, that is configure terminal, so that I can enter the configuration mode of the router. After that the command IP route, followed by the IP address to be assigned, followed by its subnet mask, and followed by its serial port, followed by its port number. So that's how I have configured all the machines. So now let's check whether we are able to ping through the end devices or not. So so as you can see, I would type ping followed by the IP address 192.168.1.97. So as you can see here, first it's showing 3 lines, which indicates that the packet is getting ready to be so that it could be sent to the specified IP address. Yes, so as you can see, that the packet has reached that specific device, and then again it came back to this. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you for watching my video.